Alright guys, so today's video is going to be a little bit different because we got a special package today. Today we are going to do an unboxing of the Canon M50. Now, while doing my research for this camera, I saw a lot of different unboxing videos, and honestly, with a lot of them, I didn't really feel like I was seeing exactly what is coming in the box. So that's exactly what I'm going to be showing you if you were to purchase this camera. We have the box itself. And when I purchased this camera, I actually purchased it during a deal, so I got this SD card completely free, and I definitely recommend that you guys try and pick up a deal where you can secure an SD card yourselves for free as well. You can always pick up more, but I mean, it's pretty nice for them to throw this in. Alright, so now onto the box itself. You can see the EOS M50 right there. You can see what it looks like right there with some other information. And open up the box. You can see that there's some paperwork that nobody reads, and some more information just to help you get started with the camera. A user manual, which I will not be reading, and some more information just to register your camera. So now, starting from the top of the box to the bottom, you're first going to notice that you have your Canon strap right here, which is included in this package. Next up, you have the camera body itself, which we'll get to a little bit later. Right here is your battery charger. And of course, your kit lens. Kit lens with some protection on either side. And this is a 15 to 45 millimeter lens with image stabilization. So it's not the worst kit lens in the world. Oh, and you got a battery, which obviously is pretty important. By the way, I completely forgot to mention this in the video, but I'm actually doing a Q&A very soon, so if you want to leave any of your questions regarding tech, school, YouTube, anything really, just leave that down below in the comments and hopefully it'll be featured. Now, coming over to the Canon body itself. And this is the camera body itself. It's definitely way more heavier in the hand. Obviously, I've done a lot of research to make sure that this is the right camera for me and for the content that I'm going to be making on this channel. And as a first camera, I don't think that this is too bad. And as a first impressions, I've just got to say that I really like the style of this body. It's very, very small, but also feels substantial in the hand. The quality of the grip feels very, very nice. And as you can see, there's that flip screen right there, which is very nice. And I'm definitely excited to get started with making content for this channel with this camera. So if you guys have enjoyed this unboxing and first impressions of this camera, make sure that you let me know down in the comments so that I know to create more videos talking about this guy. Also, if this video has provided you any value, it would really help my channel if you left a like and even subscribed if you want more videos just like this one. More videos are on the way, so hit the bell icon if you don't want to miss them. I'm Matt, and thanks for watching.